Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Santos Superman Jr. wishing you a good day and welcomes you in the year 2021. Now, today what I'm going to do is give you an idea how are you going to prepare your BMS graphics for an energy recovery unit. Okay, now what is the difference of this ER unit to an ordinary air handling unit? Now, as I have said always, that you will be able to come up with the final BMS control and monitoring points as you study the mechanical specification and the IFC drawing and the um, material submittals of the company that will supply this air handling unit. Now, today I'm going to show you the difference of this ERU from an ordinary or from a recirculating air handling unit. Now, as you can see here, I have the typical points for monitoring and control. So here you can see here I have two fans. One is the supply fan and one is the exhaust fan. Okay. Now, I have here this one is the heat pipe. Okay. Now I have the cooling, this is the cooling coil, but I have here a wrap around heat pipe also. Then I have here the three dampers with damper actuator. Then I have here the filters. Okay, then I have some temperature sensors, a combination of temperature and humidity sensors. Then I'm monitoring the typical control and monitoring points for a fan, like hand of auto, run, trip, then it is controlled by BFD, so I'm showing also the control signal for the BFD and the feedback status of the BFD. Likewise, the same point for this supply fan. Now, as you can see here, I have here some. This one is the airflow monitoring. Okay. Now I have here the filters. I have a pre-filter and bug filter. Pre-filter also here. Okay. Now in the return duct, they installed one. The mechanical people installed one pre-filter to prevent the to make sure that there is no debris going in the heat pipe. Okay. Now I'm monitoring also the ambient temperature. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now the heat pipe is recovering the energy coming from the return air. Then this heat pipe is just a pipe like a cooling coil, but instead of chilled water, it contains refrigerant wherein the refrigerant just keep on circulating in this heat pipe. So it recovers the energy from the return air, then it pre-cools the outside air temperature, and likewise the same concept with the wraparound heat pipe in the cooling coil. Okay, so this is only the difference of this air handling unit from an ordinary one. As the name implies, energy recovery. So it's just trying to recover the energy from the return air because that return air is still cold. So it's being used here to this heat pipe. Okay. Now, again, this is how you're going to prepare your BMS graphics by finalizing or reading thoroughly the specification. Okay. Now, I hope I have given you the idea or the concept of an energy recovery unit. By recovering the energy from the return air, you are using that energy to pre-cool the uh, supply air or the outside air. Okay, so let's say the supply air is around 30 degrees, then when it passes this heat pipe, it will the temperature will drop slightly. Then again, if it will pass here, then you will have cooling. Okay, so you will have further cooling here. Okay, so instead of cooling 30 degrees centigrade outside air, when it passes the heat pipe, it will go down around maybe 28 or 27. Then you will just cool this 27 degrees. So you already use the recovered energy from the return air to pre-cool the outside air. Okay. So again, thank you very much for watching this short video clip. And I do hope I give you an idea how are you going to prepare BMS graphics for energy recovery unit in the near future if you will become a BMS engineer, and if you are a project engineer of an MEP company, now you will have some idea how an ERU or an air handling unit works. Okay, so thank you very much. Again, this is Santos Capelan Jr. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and you can also click the notification bell, and you can always leave a comment so we can discuss whatever question in your mind within my capacity. So thank you very much, and God bless us all, and I'm saying bye for now.